Hello, William.
Hello,
Hello, teacher.
hello, teacher.
Are you happy?
John.
Yes, okay. Okay, what is this? This is my.
Bochi.
Very good, my boat. That's so cool. What's this?
Bear.
My beer, good job. What's this?
Koi.
My car, very good. Okay, what letter is this?
Bitchy.
Letter T, very good. Big T. What is this?
Marty.
Small T, very good. T for toys.
Toy.
Okay, let's read. Two turtles.
On the table.
Good job. How many turtles can you count? One, two.
Two.
Okay, what color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Okay. How many toys can you see?
Two.
Two toys. How many swing?
One.
One. We can share.
We can share.
Okay. Let's count the numbers. One,
One, two,
three.
three.
Okay. What color is the bike?
Red.
What color is this bike?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. What is this?
Bear.
What is this?
Dog. Shadow.
Good job.